Welcome to the 15th box break in this case of 16 boxes of Select 2012 Eternity. Our second last box to crack open. Still looking for one of the redemptions. Hoping for a Alex Jesaulenko Hall of Fame Legends signature redemption. That would be the big one to finish this case off for Glenn. Once again, thanks to Glenn at Gold Coast Trading Cards for providing these boxes for us to crack open for you. I hope you've enjoyed all our box breaks. We've just gone through 12 NRL boxes and we're now up to our 15th AFL box. So we've been busting open plenty of packets for you online, so you can have a good look at cards coming out of the packets. So we'll start opening these now. First pack, just the Hall of Fame Mark Bickley. Next pack, just a Hall of Fame Dipper. So overall these cards, these Eternity cards have been quite good. I quite like the look of most of the cards in the set across the board. Hall of Fame parallel, probably a few little things that Select may have been able to do to improve the series, but as a general rule I think it's a success. Number 348 there of 800. Fine. Next pack. Hall of Fame card. I'd have to say probably the NRL busting open the boxes was more fun, based on the number of hits, and I guess you're getting that parallel card in every pack. Hall of Fame's become a little bit monotonous in this series, but that doesn't really reflect upon how collectible the series will be as well. I think this series of Eternity looks like a nice set, and I think over a period of time there'll be some great cards amongst this set that will become very collectible, especially those Hall of Fame parallel cards. I do believe limited edition numbered. I know there's 800 of them, but a fair few will get lost in amongst the mix because they do look like the normal ones. Next pack. Still looking for all our major hits in this box. The only thing we've pulled so far is the one Hall of Fame parallel card. Next pack. Peter Carey Hall of Fame. And still obviously looking for that other redemption. Hopefully we get a second redemption in this case. Hate to think for Glenn we'd only pull one redemption out. Okay. If you saw our NRL box breaks, you would have seen that we actually were able to pull out over the odds for Glenn on the inserts. We had a little bit of a lucky streak there, so it'd be nice to finish this case off on a lucky streak. Next pack. Those of you who hung in there until the 12th box of that case break of the NRL would have seen the major hits that I hit in the 12th box. Next pack. All just Hall of Fame so far. Very quiet start to this box. Must be going to hit a whole heap of inserts shortly. James Hird, Hall of Fame. Next pack. Hall of Fame checklist card. Nice big pile of Hall of Fame cards over to the side here. And no inserts from this box so far. Another Hall of Fame, Guy McKenna. Next pack. Another Hall of Fame. Next pack. Another Hall of Fame. I think I'm pretty much well and truly over halfway through this box for one hit. Next pack. Here we go, we've hit nothing. Hall of Fame, it felt like there was something there. Next pack. we've hit a medal winner, Dyson Heppel, nice looking card. Rising Star medal winner from last year. Back of that card looks nice too. So that's the medal winners, one in every 2 boxes combined with the Living Legends. Next pack. And we've hit our first All-Australian, James Kelly. This box. Probably one of the lower profile All-Australians in that collection, but a very good player. Nathan Buckley, Hall of Fame. Next pack. Hall of Fame Parallel, Peter Carey. New edition number 448. Next packet. Michael Voss, Hall of Fame. Next pack. And we've hit our AFL VFL Premiership card, Premiers Melbourne 1926. Limited edition number 145. If I can get it in focus. 400. Next packet. Wayne Carey, Hall of Fame. Next pack. Tony Shaw, Hall of Fame. Next packet. And fit an All-Australian, but it's got a damaged cover on the top of it there, and that's Matthew Boyd. We've had a few of those come out of the packets like that with a damaged protective seal on them that have come off. We've also heard reports from other places where they've actually had no seal on them at all. All of ours have had a seal on them. Michael Long, Hall of Fame. So scooting our way through this box, not many packets left. Not many packets left in this whole case to hit this last redemption card. Hopefully we hit it. Hall of Fame parallel card. Noel Teasdale, 148 of 800. Next pack. Feels like quite a thick packet. I'm thinking this is the club logo patch, which it is. And it's a nice one, Geelong Cats. Nice looking card, Joel Selwood. And that's limited edition number 319 of 400. That's a Geelong one there. Next pack. Hall of Fame Dane Swan, All-Australian Dane Swan. Next packet. Get this right, All-Australian Nick Del Santo. So that's our All-Australians out of this box. So it's 4 packets to go in this box. Still looking for our draft pick signature. We've managed to pull that out very late in a few boxes. Horry Orange, Hall of Fame. Next pack. And draft pick signature Fremantle Dockers, Tom Sheridan. Nice looking card. And here's draft pick signature number 7. And nice low number on that one, number 19 of 300. Pity it wasn't 16 by the look of it, although I don't understand what that number is, but anyway. Close to a jersey number. And Sheedy, Hall of Fame. So 2 packs to go in this box. Still haven't hit that other redemption card that we're hoping for. Kelly Hall of Fame. And the last pack for this box, box number 15 in the case break. And we've hit a Hall of Fame parallel card, D Tottenham, number 448 of 800. So that's all the packets opened up for this 15th box break. So just a quick summary of the cards we pulled out of this 15th box break of this case of Select 2012 AFL Eternity. Pulled out 4 of the Hall of Fame parallel cards, D Tottenham, Noel Teasdale, Peter Carey and Jeff Motley. We've gone a bit old school there with those, none of the more modern players. Nick Del Santo in the All-Australian, Dane Swan in the All-Australian, Matthew Boyd in the All-Australian with a bit of damage across the top there, and James Kelly in the All-Australian. Then our 1 per box AFL VFL Premiers card is Melbourne 1926, limited edition number 145. And then our medal winners card we hit in this box is Dyson Heppel from Essendon. Nice looking card, that one. Our club logo patch card is Geelong, Joel Selwood. Real nice looking card, numbered 319. And our draft pick signature was Tom Sheridan from Fremantle, and that one is limited edition numbered 19, a slightly lower number. So once again, thanks to Glenn from Gold Coast Trading Cards for all these boxes to crack open for you guys on YouTube. 1 box to go, hopefully a redemption in that last box. So keep an eye out for box break number 16 coming soon. We should have a big hit in that box.